Hello from 3D Print Solutions. Just a quick video to show you one of our Tamiya RC parts. So this here is a replica part for a Tamiya Falcon D4 part, which is part of the front suspension. So this has been reverse engineered by us. A customer sent us one of their broken ones. This is available on our store, which is 3d-print-solutions.co.uk. We sell these for £10. They come in black, but if you do want it in a different colour, you can always message us and we can do that for you. So as you can see, very, very close to the original D4. The only real difference is cosmetic. On the underside, you see the texture here obviously isn't as good as if it had been injection moulded like the originals were. These lines here are where it's printed on top of a support structure instead of on the bed of the actual printer. It's the same under here. Other than that, very good part, very strong, little bit of flex in it, which obviously should be quite good for shock absorbance. It shouldn't snap. Most of the original parts that are out there now have become quite brittle over the years. These are made to order, lead time generally 3 to 5 working days, and is available along with various other Tamiya Falcon parts that we sell.